Hey guys, I'm going to show you a really easy way to solder. I know that soldering sometimes it can be a pretty frustrating task, so check it out. Hit that like and subscribe button, comment below. I make a lot of motorcycle instructional videos to help you guys out. Stay safe out on the road. Thanks for watching. So you can use a micro torch like this to solder. It's a lot faster, heats up the wires and the little fittings and the crimps a lot faster. It just takes regular butane and put it in the bottom here like that, but don't breathe it in while you're filling your torch. When you're soldering with a torch, you want to make sure that there aren't any fumes. No gas is leaking or anything like that. That's really the major drawback to using a torch, is when you're working around a machine. You just got to make sure that there's no fumes going on. I've got to put a new fitting on this. Got this little guy. And I'm going to strip just a little bit back for it. It doesn't need much for a little fitting like that. Maybe a little bit, yeah, about like that. I don't like to leave this little piece of plastic on here. So you can heat it with a torch and then pull it right off. Okay. After I strip it off, I take a little piece of marine heat shrink and I slide it over the wire. Twist this end a little bit. And put your fitting on. Crimp it down. Then you're ready to solder. I'll try to position this so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Alright. I've got this away from everything, so I'm not going to burn anything with it. So you start heating up your fitting or your wire, and then you touch some solder to it, and then you're done. Easy as that. You can see that the wire and the fitting both got solder. They both absorbed it really well, and I'm ready to wrap this thing up. After I solder my fitting on, pull my little piece of heat shrink down and shrink it down real quick. Then I take another piece and put it over the fitting like that. Let it hang over the fitting just a little bit. And then don't heat shrink the end down. So you're leaving it like this. Now it's ready to go. I like to use this marine heat shrink from Harbor Freight. It has a little bit of hot glue inside the tubing, and when you heat it up, the glue makes it nearly waterproof. Alright, so I just stripped the ends of this wire off. I'm going to put a piece of heat shrink over it. When I twist my ends of my wires together, I lay them across each other like this, and then twist them together like that. That way when I slide my heat shrink over, there's not a huge mass of twisted wires together. Okay, so again I take my torch, I got this little micro torch, and I heat up the wires first and then dab the solder right into it. It's as simple as that. Real quick, easy. can see, it's soldered really well. And then when I slide my piece of heat shrink over it, it's real thin, and it's not going to snag on anything. It's almost the same thickness as the original wire was. I use Alster tin lead rosin core solder wire. It has flux already in it. If you're watching this on my DIY guy channel, I also have a motorcycle channel called Wrench's Corner. You can check that one out, subscribe to that channel too. I've got motorcycle instructionals on there to help people keep safe on the road and learn how to take care of their own motorcycles. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment below. I'll be making more videos like this to help you guys out. Thanks for watching.